Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a new credit card to Cox online. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a new credit card and you want to go ahead and use that to pay for your Cox internet or Cox mobile. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto your Cox account. In the upper right-hand corner, you want to click on this icon here and then click on My Bill. Once you're on this page here, you want to go ahead and click on Manage Payment Methods, which is located right over here. And then from this option here, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down to where it says Add a new payment method and click on that. Now, once you've done so, you have the option to either connect a checking or savings account or a credit or debit card. Select credit or debit card and simply follow the on-screen information here and click on add a new payment method. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your credit card with Cox online. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.